All right, how's it going, everybody? This is Sean here, and today I just wanted to give everybody a sneak peek at what the page design for the new book that I'm having published, Fact Check, actually looks like. If you're not sure what Fact Check actually is, it is a book that I've written where I've pulled multiple different sources from online investigative journalists and tons of different tools and resources from investigative sources. From law enforcement to academia and many, many other places. And I've written a simple book that's easy to understand for people to walk through using these tools, using these resources to validate and find the facts. We fact check the fact checkers in this book. And we, take ideology in these claims and we walk through them step by step, breaking it down, validating resources and asking the big, tough questions. And I wanted to write this book so that way people can have a tool they can use to actually find the truth. Because we got so much information on all sides of the spectrum in today's society, and we got information coming from everywhere, and anybody with a keyboard can basically type up an article and it looks valid and it looks certifiable, but it's really not. We got people posing as fact checkers just so they can, interject their biased claims in there and make people think that, well, since it has this fancy little fact check sticker on it, must be true, when actually it's not. So I want to give people the tools to take this to the next step and find facts for themselves. I don't care who you are, what you believe, or what your opinions are. Everybody's entitled to their own thoughts, their own beliefs, and their own ideas. And in order to protect those ideas, we need to know the truth. And that's what this book's about. But today I want to take you through a couple pages of the book to show you the page design. And I'd really love some feedback on this, and I'd really love to know what it is you actually think about this page design. I think it's pretty cool. I mean, it's kind of got that reddish tone to it, but they're the designers. I dig it. It's really nice, I think. It's really laid out professionally. We'll go down to the appendix. The appendix is pretty cool. This is where you're going to find all kinds of tools, links, resources, different downloads, all kinds of things to find the truth. All kinds of different links you would never even look to think of to fact check the fact checkers, to source your information, to build evidence based on something to support your claim. And it's all kinds of information in here, all kinds of free books, free tools, really, really great stuff. But anyways, I really like to know what you think about this here. This is the book cover. You can see here that every other page so far it's got these cool little digital design up here. Got the nice little bar. It's kind of like I guess it's like a pinkish color. I don't know. I was kind of hoping it would be more blue or gray or something, but like I said, I'm not the page designer. That's what their job is. I'm really stoked about this. Right now they're working on the book cover, and a lot of you probably seen the book cover before. It's that gray book cover with the true or false image on it, but it's pretty cool, and I'm getting really stoked that this is coming out. I also wanted to note too that every week or every other week I'm going to try to put out a video and put out some contents of this book and try to give people some of these tools and some of the information on social media so they can start learning some stuff before the book comes out, because I think it's important, especially now in our day and age, to be able to verify your own facts. Because honestly, I'm sorry to tell a lot of you people, if you think you can rely on Snoops and Snopes alone, or any of these so-called fact checkers, even the ones that Facebook has integrated into their sites, you got to understand, while in some parts that their claims might be true, there's a lot of bias interjected into those claims. And really, you have to vet out who you're getting your facts from. I mean, they're telling you what is fact. You should be able to discern for yourself what is fact. And not have some private individual or private mega corporation or private website tell you what is factual and what is not. And that's a quick way for people to get really messed up and going down the road of finding wrong information. And that's again why I wrote this book. So I hope it helps people. That is the intent behind this book, is to help people find the truth. That is it. That is simple. And I don't care who you are, what your beliefs are, what your politics are, no matter what it is, I want people to be able to find the truth. And that's just the plain simple thing. This is what I'm giving to the world because I feel it is a necessity And these are all things that I've learned and that I've researched for the last 5 years, and I want to share with the world. So let me know what you think about the inside of the book so far. When the book cover comes out, I'll show you the whole thing, and I think by Christmas we should be launching the book in bookstores. And like I said, I want to start getting more followers involved with this book, because I think it's going to be really great and it's going to help tons of people out. So let me know what you think, and you guys have a great week.